Crop circles are one of the mysterious things which exist in the modern world. The phenomenon of crop circles started to gain popularity after 1970s when the cases of reporting such circles increased substantially. Some people consider it as a hoax, some consider it as a natural cause, while the remainder of people consider it as an extraterrestrial message. So what exactly are crop circles and do they have any alien origin? Well, let's find out. Crop circle is a pattern created by flattening a crop, usually cereals, by an unknown entity. The design of crop circle are highly intricate and their sizes may vary. Some of these crop circle are larger than football fields and highly complex in design and construction, while others are smaller and more primitive. We call them crop circles, but many of them are not even circular. Many of these crop circles have an elongated abstract design which resembles an insect or other life forms. Most of these crop circles are visible overnight, although many have claimed that they have been appeared within half an hour in a broad daylight. There are more than 10,000 instances of crop circle being appeared all over the world. The first depiction of crop circle was found in 1600s, but the first modern rash of crop circle started to appear in Australia in 1973. A strange circular imprint appeared in a wheat field southeast of Adelaide was found. Soon the appearances of crop circle in countries like Canada, Japan and Germany started to rise, as more than 1,000 newly formed circles were appeared up till 1990. Until 1976, the crop circle remained simple, but as the years passed, crop circle became more geometrically intricate. Some reliable witnesses have also reported of unusual lights and hearing unidentified sound while on an early morning walk in the countryside where a crop circle was formed later that day. On several occasions, a strange glow or a darker color has been seen in the sky above the crop circle. In more than one instance, electric power of small aeroplanes flying overhead has been cut off. Also, one of the strangest things is that wild creatures tend to avoid the circle. Flocks of birds has been seen to split apart and fly over the perimeter rather than going directly over crop circles. Most of the people think crop circle as a hoax or a practical joke. The evidence supporting the statement is that in 1991, two Englishmen claimed to have created approximately 250 crop circles. But the issue with this statement is that crop circle appeared way before these two were even born, and this crop circle appeared all over the world. So there is no way that these two have created all these crop circles over the years. Scientists have also attempted to explain a crop circle by a popular theory known as plasma vortex theory. Developed by Dr. Terence Meredin, the theory theorized that electrified air on the side of mountain or hill becomes a mini tornado and screw down on the ground creating circles. Although the theory holds considerable support, it doesn't explain why these crop circles are so intricate. In 1994, Cambridge researcher Levin Good analyzed many plant samples present inside the crop circle. He confirmed that accelerated growth rate among the plants have been observed, and he also observed that there is outgrowth node and elongated cell among the plants. So yes, crop circle may not be hoaxes or fake. So does this mean that crop circle have some kind of relationship with extraterrestrial life form? Well, we never know.